wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review. Now this time I have not 2, not 3, but 4 unboxings from Hat Club. We got a 4-piece right here. So you know we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna hop right into it. Now first things first, I need you to go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I always got more videos coming. Make sure you subscribe. First package, let's go. We're gonna slice it open. We're gonna peel it back. Peel it back right here. Now let's see. Ooh, okay. See, now I done ordered so much stuff. I don't even know what's in these boxes, but we're gonna start off. Hat Club exclusive pen. Let's see. Let's see. This right here is from a couple months back when they did. Here's the pen right here. They did a black and white drop with the pink bottoms. So they made a special pen just for that drop. Pretty nice. You know, it's got the pink and the HC logo right there. Let's take a look at the hat. I want to say it was 3 or 4 hats in this drop. It was a black and white drop, so I said I might as well just go with the Chicago White Sox. That way it'll look more like an original hat. But then when you flip it up and you see that pink bottom, you see it's going crazy. So let's get into that. We got the 7 1/8 right there. Chicago White Sox, all black, black button top. We got the white Batterman logo right there. Inside, we have the all black sweatband. We got the obvious pink bottom. This is the reason why we wanted this hat. We wanted it for the pink bottom right there. Now, it's a real clean, classic hat. I'm gonna throw this one right on. You know, I ain't gonna waste no time because we got a couple more hats to get to. Let me take this one off. Here we go. Okay. Feels good. 7/1/8 feels real good right there. Going into the next. Now, mind you, remember this one, no patches. There was no patch on this drop. But we're into the next box. Let's see. Slice it right down the middle. Peel it back. Peel it back. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay, okay. Now look. You see this right here? Hat Club brush. Now they kind of got me with this because it used to be if you spent, I think it was like $50 or maybe something like that, you would get free shipping. So I'm like, let me go ahead and add that the Hat Club brush so I can be over the $50. But what they do? Raised it up. $59. You got to spend over $59 to get the free shipping now. So now I just got this this brush for no real reason. You know, I already had something to clean my hats with, but we'll take a look at this too. Hat Club brush. Made with 100%, what is this, horsehair? What does it say? Yeah, horsehair bristles. There we go. Pretty cool. You know, just got the wood base. It's your basic get all the lint off your hat or something. Like, let me show you. Like this hat, obviously, it's not dirty, but you would just brush it, brush it, brush it. If you ever got some dust on it, stuff like that. Never, you can never have too many things to keep your hats clean. Ooh, another Hat Club exclusive. This has the gold pen right here. It is so hot, man. I can't even front. It's burning up in here. But we got the Hat Club exclusive pen right here, the all gold version, to go with, yes, the Chicago Bulls. We got the Chicago Bull right here. Got that trophy right there. You know what that is, man. That's the championship trophy. Nice gold. It's a nice sparkle on it. You feel me? I like gold. So, you know, if I see a patch that's majority gold, I gotta grab it. We got the all black, black button top. There's no NBA logo on this one. We have a new era in black, so it blends in pretty good. That Bulls logo is always clean, so you can't go wrong with that. Then we got the ultimate, you know, the pink bottom, you know, pink bottom boys over here. All black sweatband. NBA logo hologram right there. Very clean, very nice. Let me throw this one on real quick for you. Oh yeah, there we go. Another good look. You know, anytime you got some Bulls gear, it's time to bust the Jordans out. You gotta bust some J's when you got this on. Next box. This is box number 3. Exclusives coming out. We're gonna slice it right on down the middle. We're gonna peel it back. Peel it back. Ooh, okay, okay. Let's go. See what time it is, man. We got that nice Dodger blue, Dodger fitted cap, 7 1/8. Here we go, white button top. Now this is the All-Star Game patch 2020. The reason why I wanted to get this one is just because who knows if we're even going to have an All-Star Game this year. So I felt like if we don't, it'll make it more of a rarity, like to have the hat of the All-Star Game that never really happened. So we'll see if we have one or not this year. But just in case we don't, we got that side patch on deck. We got the red and blue Batterman logo. Pink bottom. Going for $45. This one came in at $45. We got the all black sweatband. So you don't have to worry about this sweatband getting dirty like some of your other ones. But let's take another quick look at that side patch right there. We got the pink bottom on this one right here. And they are doing a pre-order for these hats right now. So if you want to get one of the pink bottoms for the All-Star Game series, they're doing a pre-order right now. So you want to get that in as soon as possible. Let me go ahead and put this one on real quick. Very nice, very nice. Okay. These came with the pins too, because we got 2 in here, so we got 2 pins. Tell me where you guys keep your pins. I mean, I know some people leave them on the hats. Some people don't. I mean, some people put them in a jar. If you have some pins, what do you do with them? Where do you put them? Where do you store these? All right. And I know some people would probably think this is crazy, but why did you go with the San Francisco Giants? You know, they arch enemies, man, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Now, look, we got some little dust or something from the box on this hat. We're going to try out that cap brush real quick and see if it works, all right? Or see how good it works, because it better work. All right, so we got the little pieces right there. Couple brushes, let's see. You saw how quick that was, man. That was ridiculous. But anyway, we got the San Francisco Giants right here. Orange button top. We got the 7 1/8 All-Star Game 2007 side patch. Very, very nice. If you got some Safari, some Nike Air Max Safari, anything like that with that black and orange kind of pattern, this hat is gonna go crazy with that. You feel me? All black sweatband, got that pink bottom right there. $45. We got the flat Batterman logo, black and orange. We got the all black New Era flag right there. Just another quick look at that patch right there. Very nice. Let me go ahead and throw this joint on real quick. Yeah. I'd like them to come like this, man. I just like to have the whole shipment just come. And the last one of the bunch, let's go ahead, slice it up real quick. Boom. Actually, that wasn't a good slice. Let me slice it up. There we go. Number 4 out of the group, the last box in this review. Let's go ahead and open it right on up. Okay. Yankee. I know y'all probably like, man, you got too many Yankees, and I do. I have a lot, B, but another classic Yankee, but it's got that different side patch. This is the All-Star Game 2008 right there. Very, very nice. Very nice side patch. It's really like a classic style. It makes it look real cool. It's not too many colors going on. You feel me? Kind of subtle. We got the Batterman logo right here. It's the flat version. So, I don't know if you can tell, but that's the flat Batterman logo right there. You feel me? It's a nice side patch. Navy blue. Icy blue bottom. You feel me? You got the icy blue bottom. You see those come out, you got to hop on them because they're going to sell out. Boom. Quick. All black sweatband. This one hit for the $45. Got a little dust on it. I guess I'll use my hat brush, you know, when this video is over. But yeah, I really like it, man. This is also one of the hats on pre-order right now. They have the Yankees. I believe it's 20 different hats, maybe 23. Some icies, some pinks. I mean, you got to take advantage right now. You won't get them until November, maybe even December, man. But like I always say, man, you'll forget about the hat, and then when that time comes, guess what? You'll be happy you had it. This hat right here, this was a pre-order hat. I think I bought this in May, and it came a couple days ago. So I mean, you can't go wrong. It's a pre-order. Yeah, you won't have it immediately, but it'll come in no time, and 3 months are gonna fly by. But yeah, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, man. I appreciate you checking out this video, this review. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, man. Have you picked up anything? I know they have some pink lemonade shock drops that just happened. You gotta stay on top of it, man. But anyway, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.